The concept that Earth might be an extraterrestrial zoo is a compelling and thought-provoking hypothesis. It suggests that our planet could be under the observation of an advanced alien civilization, much like we monitor wildlife in protected reserves. While this idea may seem speculative, there are several arguments that lend it a degree of plausibility. The zoo hypothesis, proposed by astronomer John A. Ball in 1973, suggests that extraterrestrial civilizations may be deliberately avoiding contact with Earth to allow humanity to develop naturally. Much like humans observe animals in controlled environments, these civilizations might be monitoring our progress without interfering. Consider the way modern conservationists study wildlife. Researchers track and document species while minimizing human presence to avoid disrupting their natural behaviors. If a superior alien intelligence were applying similar principles to Earth, it would explain why there has been no confirmed direct contact. This could mean that unidentified aerial phenomena, or UAPs, are, in fact, surveillance devices used by extraterrestrials to gather data on human activity. The Fermi Paradox questions why, given the vast number of potentially habitable planets in the universe, we have not yet detected evidence of extraterrestrial civilizations. One possible explanation is that advanced life forms have chosen to remain hidden. If Earth is being treated as a controlled experiment, then our attempts at making contact, such as radio signals sent into deep space, may simply be ignored. A useful analogy is a zoo animal attempting to communicate with its keepers. Even if the animal exhibits behaviors indicating an awareness of being observed, the zookeepers may choose not to engage directly. This would mean that humanity's search for intelligent life is hindered not by the absence of extraterrestrials, but by their intentional decision to remain undetected. There has been increasing global interest in unidentified aerial phenomena, or UAPs, with credible reports emerging from military and government sources. If Earth is indeed under extraterrestrial observation, these UAPs could represent periodic monitoring efforts. Similar to how biologists use drones to track animal populations, these craft may be part of a structured data-gathering operation conducted by an advanced intelligence. Some reports of alleged alien abductions could also be interpreted through this framework. If Earth is an experimental site, then occasional human interactions may be part of a long-term study, just as scientists capture, examine, and release animals in the wild. An extraterrestrial species may be conducting similar operations on a vastly different scale. If Earth is indeed part of an alien conservation project, an important question arises. Is our planet a protected nature reserve, or are we merely a curiosity in an interstellar collection? The level of intervention, or lack thereof, may indicate whether humanity is being preserved for scientific observation or merely entertained as an interesting case study. Alternatively, Earth could be one of many planets under a similar program. Other civilizations may exist under comparable constraints, unaware that they too are being observed. If so, breaking free from this imposed isolation could be humanity's greatest challenge. While the notion that Earth functions as an alien zoo remains speculative, it presents an intriguing solution to the Fermi Paradox and aligns with various unexplained phenomena. If an advanced extraterrestrial civilization exists, its reluctance to engage with humanity may be a deliberate act of non-interference. Whether this implies an ethical commitment to preservation or a more detached form of scientific curiosity remains an open question. Future advancements in space exploration, artificial intelligence, and signal detection may provide further insights into whether Earth is truly alone, or merely part of a much larger, carefully monitored system. Until then, the idea of an extraterrestrial zoo remains one of the most compelling possibilities in the search for intelligent life beyond our world.